Step 1. Download EOS Utility 3.1 for our latest version. Step 2. Unzip and run the installation. Step 3. Run EOS Utility applications. Step 4. Connect your camera to your computer via USB cable. Turn camera on. Switch to mode M. You can turn off and on again if your computer does not recognize the camera. Step 5. Click Camera Settings, register picture style, Belesto add picture style. Click Browse icon to choose picture style files. Add second and third picture styles as the first one. Step 6. Choose picture style on camera's quick menu and shoot.